Are you looking for the best accessories to upgrade your car? You've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top-rated car products available on Amazon. These products will not only improve your car's look, but also enhance your driving experience. Tired of spending hours washing your car with buckets and hoses? Introducing the perfect solution for spotless shine, a waterless car wash. This product is designed for ultimate convenience. Just spray it directly onto your car's surface and watch it work its magic. Its advanced formula encapsulates and lifts dirt and grime, making it safe to wipe away without scratching your paint. The result? A perfectly clean, streak-free finish. Not only does it clean, but it also leaves behind a glossy, protective layer that helps to repel water and dust, keeping your car looking great for longer. It's perfect for quick touch-ups between full washes, for those living in apartments, or when you simply want to save time and water. No hose, no bucket, no mess. Get that professional showroom shine anytime, anywhere with this amazing waterless car wash. Are you tired of a messy car interior? Do you constantly lose your phone, keys, or drinks between the seats? This is the solution you've been waiting for. This car seat gap organizer is a total game changer. It slides right into the space between your front seats and instantly adds a ton of useful storage. You get multiple compartments to hold your essentials, like your wallet, phone, and charging cables. It even has built-in cup holders that can handle different sizes of drinks. No more spills or searching for a place to put your bottle. The durable, sleek design blends in perfectly with your car's interior, making it look like it was always meant to be there. Installation is a breeze. It takes just seconds to set up. It's the perfect way to keep your car tidy, organized, and clutter-free. Get yours today and transform your driving. Whether you're a daily commuter or an avid road tripper, your car is more than just a vehicle. It's where memories are made. But what about when the unexpected happens? That's where a reliable dash cam comes in. This dash cam by Red Tiger offers true peace of mind. It's built to capture every moment of your journey with stunning clarity, from breathtaking scenery to crucial moments on the road. The dual camera setup ensures you're protected from all angles, recording both the road ahead and the cabin. With features like night vision and continuous loop recording, you can trust that it's always on guard, capturing everything that matters. Over the past 5 years, Red Tiger has safeguarded the journeys of millions of drivers worldwide, and their commitment to safety is clear. Don't just drive with confidence. Protect your travels and preserve your memories. Never get stranded with a flat tire again. This isn't just a simple tire inflator. It's a multifunctional powerhouse designed for every situation. This compact and portable device inflates tires quickly and efficiently, whether for your car, motorcycle, or even a bicycle. Its smart design and digital display make it incredibly easy to use. Simply set your desired pressure, and it will automatically stop when it's done. But this product is so much more. It doubles as a high-capacity power bank, letting you charge your devices on the go. The ultra-bright built-in light is a lifesaver for roadside emergencies or late-night repairs, and the flashing red light provides an added layer of safety. With its fast charging capabilities and versatile features, it's the ultimate tool for road trips, daily commutes, and outdoor adventures. Stay prepared and stay safe with this all-in-one portable inflator. A messy dashboard and a loose phone are a thing of the past. If you're looking for a secure and stylish way to hold your phone in the car, this is the solution you need. This mount from Anduri is designed for maximum versatility. It's so compact and fully foldable that it fits anywhere you want, on the dashboard, the windshield, or even the air vents. Its innovative design lets you adjust it freely for the perfect viewing angle without obstructing your view of the road. The powerful magnetic hold keeps your phone securely in place, even on the bumpiest rides. Simply snap it on, lock it, and drive. It's sleek, discreet, and incredibly easy to use. Keep your phone accessible and your eyes on the road. Upgrade your driving experience with the Anduri phone mount. This isn't just a valve cap, it's an upgrade for your vehicle. Made from durable, corrosion-resistant materials, these valve caps are built to last. The intelligent plastic liner ensures a perfect seal, protecting your tire's valve stem from rust and damage. Choose from a variety of vibrant, stylish colors to match your car and add a personal touch. Upgrade your ride and protect your tires with CK Auto valve caps. Get yours today. Long road trips with the kids can be a challenge, but keeping them entertained just got a whole lot easier with this car headrest holder. Made from durable aluminum, this holder is not only strong and secure, but also incredibly versatile. Its foldable and extendable design means it fits a wide range of devices, from small phones to large tablets up to 13 inches. The ultra-thick clip ensures your device stays locked in place, even on bumpy roads, and with a full 360-degree rotation, everyone in the back seat can get the perfect viewing angle. Installation is a breeze, and its sleek design looks great in any car. This is the perfect accessory for family road trips, making every journey more enjoyable for everyone. Keep the kids happy and your sanity intact. Get this car headrest holder today. And that's a wrap on our list of must-have car products from Amazon. We hope you found some great ideas to take your ride to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. And be sure to let us know in the comments which product you're most excited to get. You can find links to all these products directly in the description below, making it super easy to shop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.